Welcome to Top Crew Aviation. This is Captain P.K. Yadav.
As we all know, what is the list of equipment to continue in RVSM? Let's revise them again. As we need mode C or mode S transponder, we need TCAS, ACAS minimum level 2, version 7, 2 independent altitude measurement system, altimetry system, an automatic altitude control system, that is autopilot, altitude alerting device for displaying of your altitude, guys. So these things we should have. Now, number one, guys, like any equipment from the list have failed, we are going to suspend RVSM. Do remember, keep it in mind. There are some specific situations which we discuss, let's say primary altimeter, because we do have two altitude encoding device. We do have two altimeter. So the question is, primary altimeter differs in reading by 200 feet. What take action for an example? So guys, in that case, if altimetry reading is getting differ up to 200 feet or more, we always suspend RVSM, guys. One important thing you should keep it in mind, all other equipments have failed, but holding an aircraft altitude is active, means autopilot is working, we can still fly in RVSM, guys. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now, suspension of RVSM, as I told you, any equipment from the list have failed, we will suspend RVSM. If primary altimeter differs in reading by 200 feet or more, we will suspend RVSM. If we are experiencing severe turbulence, we are going to suspend RVSM. Now, what phrases can be used for suspend RVSM, guys? So there are two conditions when we are going to suspend RVSM in case of any equipment failure or turbulence. So in both the cases, number one, in case of equipment failure, we are going to use enable RVSM do equipment. Alright. In case of turbulence, we are going to use enable RVSM do turbulence, guys. So these are the two phrases we are going to use while we are going to make call. In case we are able to use RVSM again, we will say ready to resume RVSM, as I gave you example earlier. And what are the rule for suspension, guys? We always, whenever we are, suspending RVSM, what is the procedure? Descend to highest non-RVSM level as per semicircular rule. As I told you earlier, guys, like if you are flight level 330, you have to come flight level 270. If you are at flight level 320, you have to come and descend to flight level 280, guys. So even to even, odd to odd. Now let's understand these things with an example. For an example, question is, you are over Buklo, flight level 310, mode has failed, take action. And in that area over at Buklo, guys, your ATC is Delhi control, and call sign, we do have unique call sign, that is Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie. So guys, there is no difference as we already know how to give position report. So more or less we will just improvise with the RVSM phrases. How? Let's revise the format, like station called, station calling frequency, that would be the same. And guys, then again position, which we learned, position, time, route, flight level. Alright, so now, and request flight level 280270, as I told you. But so let's make the call. Delhi control, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, position Buklo 1000, Alpha 470, flight level 310, enable RVSM do equipment. Now what you are going to add, request to descend flight level 270. Simple, guys. You don't need to add anything else. So you just need to improvise in position report. Once again, Delhi control, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, position Buklo 1000, route Alpha 474, flight level 310, enable RVSM due equipment, request descent flight level 270. I'm taking everything hypothetical, guys. Alright, so do not catch this thing. So this is how you make call in case of equipment failure. And guys, at any level, if you are experiencing severe turbulence, you will always give pan call. Again, I'm repeating, guys, severe turbulence, always pan call. Okay? And so with pan, then let's make this call. You are over Buchloe flight level 310 and you are experiencing a severe turbulence. Take action. So what you will start, pan, Delhi control, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie on whatever frequency, let's say 121.7, position Buchloe, route Alpha 474, flight level 310, enable RVSM due turbulence, request to descend flight level 270. So this is how you can make a call in case of severe turbulence. Alright. Now let's say you have descended, ATC has given you the descent clearance and you are at flight level 270. Now question is, at flight level 270, you are still experiencing turbulence, guys. So again, you will ask for the further descent. How? Delhi control, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, flight level 270 is still experiencing turbulence. Request further descent to flight level 250. So this is how you can save yourself from turbulence. Alright. And sometimes you get in question like continue descent by 4,000 feet. So whatever is your flight level at that point of time, you are going to ask from ATC, request further descent. Let's say you are at flight level 270, then you are going to ask request further descent to flight level 230. So this is how you can end this call. So guys, you get questions, these kind of questions like you get severe turbulence, then definitely you are going to ask for 270. The next question, Bravo, in the same question number would be continue descent by 4,000 feet. So this is how you get continue descent, and so do not take descent 4,000 from flight level 310. You have to take it from flight level 270. So whatever we have done in previous question, that is our last level. From that we move ahead with the next question, guys. Okay, so let's say you are over Buchloe, mode C failed at flight level 270. Mode C is operational now. Take action. So now guys, in this question, mode C got failed, but now it is operational. So how you are going to make a call? Delhi control, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie on 121.75. Hypothetical again. Flight level 270. Operate mode C. Operational now. Ready to resume RVSM. Request to climb flight level 310. So whenever whatever thing was not operational and it is getting operational in between, while flying, you always ask for the climb for the RVSM level, guys. So this is how we make call in terms of mode C failure, mode S failure, whatever you get in your exam, in terms of turbulence, severe turbulence, in terms of still experiencing turbulence, in terms of you get, somehow your mode C is operational now. So how you are going to deal with this. So guys, these were the normal thing. Guys, this is again easy, but trust me, it is a very important topic, and WPC, loves this topic to give you in your exam. So open your eyes and, work hard, do practice, get it downloaded in your head so that you do not make mistakes, guys. Practice hard. You have to practice it by writing again and again. Let me know in case of any query. Now further we would understand there are some other conditions too in this RVSM topic. Let's say RVSM categories. So we would understand about RVSM categories too. So hold your horses till that time. In case of any query, guys, just do let me know. I'm here to help you. You can comment below too, and I'll give you the response. Alright guys, so take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Here you go, your checklist. Like, subscribe and share.
Thank you for watching.